Nestled in the deep valley of the emerald-green Neretva River, the historic town of Mostar is a living tapestry of centuries of history. Its name itself tells an ancient story derived from the Mostari, the bridge keepers who once guarded the historic crossing over the river. This city, one of the hottest in Europe, developed in the 15th and 16th centuries as an Ottoman frontier town. Its character further shaped during the Austro-Hungarian period in the 19th and 20th centuries. For over 400 years, its heart and symbol was the Stari Most, or Old Bridge. Commissioned by Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent and designed by the architect Şehrinin, this architectural marvel was completed in 1566. A 17th century traveler described it as a rainbow arch soaring up to the skies, a stone bridge that connected not just two riverbanks, but the diverse communities of Muslims, Christians, and Jews who lived side by side. The Old Bridge area, with its blend of pre-Ottoman, Eastern Ottoman, Mediterranean, and Western European features, is an outstanding example of a multicultural urban settlement. Wandering through the cobblestone streets of the Old Town, you are transported to another era. The skyline is punctuated by minarets and church towers. The Koski Mehmed Pasha Mosque from the 17th century offers breathtaking views of the bridge from its minaret. Not far away is the Crooked Bridge, or Kriva Chupria, a smaller, older bridge believed to have been a trial run for its larger, more famous sibling. But this story also holds profound loss. In the Bosnian War of the 1990s, this symbol of unity was deliberately destroyed on November 9, 1993. Its destruction shook the world. An international scientific committee established by UNESCO oversaw the bridge's reconstruction. Using original Ottoman-era techniques and stone from the same local quarry, the old bridge was rebuilt and reopened in 2004. In 2005, it was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, not just for its architectural value, but as a universal symbol of reconciliation and the coexistence of diverse cultures. Today, the bridge is again a stage for life and tradition. Daredevil divers continue a 450-year-old ritual of jumping from the bridge's ledge into the cold waters of the Neretva below, an initiation rite that turns a boy into a man in the eyes of the city. While the scars of conflict are still visible in bullet-riddled buildings, they stand as silent reminders next to stones engraved with a simple, powerful message. Don't forget 93. Mostar is more than a monument. It is a phoenix risen from the ashes. Its reconstructed old bridge and old town are a testament to human resilience, a powerful symbol of hope, and a continuous effort to build bridges between people, not just across a river. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.